Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a finance tracker with QuickBooks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and sign in to your account. On the dashboard, locate the Transactions menu on the left side. Click on Banking under the Transactions section. Select Link Account to set up your bank accounts for tracking. Choose your bank from the list or use the search bar to find it. Enter your bank login credentials when prompted. Click Connect to link your bank account to QuickBooks. Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions. Review your transactions to ensure they match your records. Click on Add to categorize new transactions as needed. To create a finance tracker, go to the Reports menu on the left. Select Standard Reports to view your financial data. Choose a report such as Profit and Loss to summarize income and expenses. Customize the date range for the report at the top right. Click on Run Report to generate the report based on your settings. If you want to track expenses in detail, go to Expenses under the Transactions menu. Add new expenses by clicking on New Expenses at the top right. Fill in the necessary details, including the vendor and category. Save the expense to update your financial records. For better visibility, use the dashboard feature to see an overview of your finances. You can add widgets to your dashboard for quick access to key information. To automate your tracking, set up rules for recurring transactions. Click on Banking again and choose Rules from the submenu. Create a new rule by defining the criteria for automatic categorization. Review and save the rule to streamline future transactions. Finalize your finance tracker by regularly reviewing your reports. Schedule a weekly or monthly check-in to ensure your finances are on track. Explore additional QuickBooks features to enhance your finance tracker as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.